In problem number 23, we're given three statements, and we're asked to identify which statements are properties of definite integrals. So if we start by looking at statement number 1, you can see that the integral from a to b of a constant times f of x with respect to x is equal to that constant times the integral from a to b of f of x dx. Now this is true. This is the constant multiple rule. So statement 1 is a true statement. This is a property of integrals. Now let's look at statement number 2. They're saying the same thing, except for instead of a constant times a function f, we have a variable x times the function f. This statement is false. You cannot split up an integral this way. You can only pull out a constant multiple, not a variable multiple. Now, statement 3 says the integral from a to b of f with respect to x is the same thing as the integral from a to c plus the integral from c to b. Well, this is true. If you were to think about it graphically, here's an arbitrary function y equals f of x. So if we have a value of a and value b, the integral from a to b is represented graphically as an area between the curve and the x-axis. If we set some value c in between a and b, we can see that the integral from a to c plus the integral from c to b is equal to the total integral. Therefore, statement 3 is true. So 1 and 3 are true. This matches option letter C. Hopefully this was helpful. Thank you for watching.